Hi students, I am Bhuvneshwari. Now we are going to see fifth sum in exercise 7.1. See the question. Four persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 centimeter. If each person requires 22 centimeter square of the floor area, then find the height of the tent. Okay, see here, find the height of the tent. You have to find height of the tent. What is given? Slant height is given. Okay, see how many persons? Four persons live in a conical tent. That means four persons are living in a tent. The tent is in the shape of cone. Conical tent means what? The tent, you all see, tent is in the shape of cone. See, like this. Tent is like this, it is cone. Okay, so in this shape, slant height is 19. So you know that this is slant height, so this one is 19 centimeter. L means what? Slant height. Slant height equal to 19 centimeter. Okay, then here given each person requires 22 centimeter squares of floor area. That is area required for one person. Okay, one person equal to 22 centimeter square. Here given four persons, so area required for four persons equal to 4 into 22 centimeter square, that is equal to 88 centimeter square. Okay, now see, four persons live in the floor area. Floor area is given. That means this area, this part of the cone. See this is in the shape of circle. Okay, it is in the shape of circle. Here given floor area. So see the area, we have to find that area. This is in circular shape. What is the formula of circle to find area of circle? Pi r squared. Okay, so base area of the cone, base area of the cone equal to pi r square, because it's in the circular form. Okay, now we already find that the area required for four persons is 88 centimeter squared. So pi r squared equal to 88 centimeter square. Now substitute the value of pi. You know that value of pi is 22 by 7 into r squared equal to 88. Here we have to find r squared. So keep this r squared here. Okay, bring the remaining terms to this side. Okay, while bringing to this side, this number gets reciprocal. Yes, here already 88 is there. Bringing this number to this side, 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. Now see this number, here 88, here 22. So we cancel these two in 22 table. This is 1 time and this is 4 time. So equal to 4 into 7. 7 fours are 28. So r squared equal to 28. Then here given L equal to 19 centimeter. L equal to 19. So find L squared, that is 19 squared. That means 19 into 19. So square formula, 19 19s are 361. So L squared equal to 361. Now we have to find H, because in question they asked us to find height of the tent. Height. So write H formula to find height. H equal to square root of L squared minus r squared. Okay. Now substitute the values. L squared is 361, r squared is 28. 361 minus 28. So subtract this one. 361 minus 28. Here 1, here 8. You can't subtract. So borrow. Borrow means it 11. It becomes 5. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 3. So what answer you are getting? 333. So height H equal to square root of 333. We have to find square root of this number. See, this 333 is not a square number. Okay. So how you find the square root? Square root of this number? Using which method? Are you remember that? In the previous classes you studied, no? Long division method. Yes. Using that long division method, you find the square root of this number. Okay. How we find? Height equal to square root of 333. This is long division method. Okay. Write the number and put commas. How you put commas? Two digits from last. Okay. Here one number. Then now here you write one number. Write the same number here. Okay. Write the same number, not the different number. Suppose here you write 1 means here also you have to write 1. Here you write 2 means here also you have to write 2. Okay. Not the different numbers. So this is 3. So I take 1. Here also 1. Okay. 1 ones are 1. Now subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then bring next 2 numbers to down. Okay. We are getting 233. Then what is the next step? Here 1 is there, no? You multiply this 1 by 2. Multiply this 1 by 2. So 1 2s are 2. Write the 2 here. Now here we put one number. The same number here. What? Okay. Not the different one. Same number. So 233. I take some 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4, 189. So I take another one time. Here 8 means here also I take 8. Okay. 8 8s are 64. 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So 224 it will come. Okay. So how many times? 8 times. So write 8. Write the same number here. Okay. Is it clear? Write the same number, not the different one. Here what will come? 224. Now subtract. Here 3, here 4. 3 is smaller than 4. We can't subtract. So borrow. Borrow means 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Here 0, 0. Then here you put 1 point. Then add 2 zeros. In normal division, we usually add 1 0. But in square root method, you must add 2 zeros, not 1 0. Okay. Then what is the next step? Here 18 is there, no? You multiply this 18 by 2 and write down the answer here. What is the answer? 18 2. 18 into 2. 18 2s are 36. Okay. Now here you write one number. The same number will come here, not the different one. You should write the same number. Now take here one number, then the same number. What number will take? This is 336. So if I take 1 means it's 361. So it's closer. So I take 2. Here also 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 724 it will come. So I write 2 here. Then here also the same number 2. The answer is 724. Now subtract. Here 0. We can't subtract. Borrow means here also 0. So we borrow from this 9. So it becomes 8. Here 9. This one becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay. Again what we have to do? Add 2 zeros. Not 1 0. Add 2 zeros. Then what is the next step? Multiply this number by 2. What the number is there? 182. So multiply 182 by 2. You get 4. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. So write here 364. Again the same procedure. We take one number here. The same number will come here. Okay. We will try which number? I will try 8. So 364. And number 8, then same number 8 here. Okay. I think 8 is so bigger. So I take 4. 4. 4 4s are 16. 1. Again 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 1. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5. 2. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So I get this number. This is closer to. So 4 is. Okay. So I write 4 here. the same number 4 here. Okay, here 1, 4, 5, 7, 6, this number. Now subtract. Again the same procedure. Here 0, here 0. So borrow from this. 5, 9, this one 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3. So we get this one. Again add 2 zeros. Okay. Now what do you do? Multiply this one by 2. What number is there? 1824. Multiply that one by 2. 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4, 8 twos are 16, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3, 6, 4, 8. Here 3, 6, 4, 8. Okay. Then write one number here, the same number. What you have to write? Try some big number because it's 3 lakh something, no? So take 8, big number. Here also 8. Multiply. 8 8s are 64, 6. Again 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6, 70. So 0, 7. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7, 39. 3. Then 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3, 51. 5. Then 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29. Okay. So it will come. Okay. 8. So I write 8 here. The same number 8 here. Here 2 9 1 9 0 4. No need to subtract this one. It is enough for us. So the height equal to 18.248. Now see, you have to round off this one. You learned in lower classes. Now rounding off method. See, this number is more than 8. The number is more than 8 means we add 1 to the previous number using that rule. Here 8. 8 is more than 5. So I add 1 to this 4. Okay. Now what you get? Adding 1 to 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So I get 5. That is height equal to 18.25 centimeter. So this one what we needed, what we had to find. The height of the cone is 18.25. Thank you.